Hello everyone, Joseph here, or Joey, as most people know me as. Thank you to everyone who has taken the time to support me on my new journey, as the change has definitely been enlightening and adventurous, as I hope it has been the same for you as well. Furthermore, I'd like to introduce you to my first ebook available for purchase by clicking in the link in the description in my homepage, or you can see the URL in the description below. Help show your support by purchasing and educating yourself, your loved ones, or your friends in need of support. Thank you. Stay tuned for the following message. If financial stress feels constant, no matter how hard you work, this ebook explains the real difference between financial stress and financial freedom in simple, practical terms. Financial freedom isn't about your salary, job title, or luck. It's about understanding how money works and building strong habits around credit, saving, and investing. If you're tired of worrying about bills, avoiding your bank account, or living paycheck to paycheck, this guide gives you a clear, step-by-step roadmap to take control of your finances. First, we break down credit scores in plain English. Your credit score, which ranges from 300 to 850, is your financial reputation. It affects your ability to qualify for credit cards, car loans, mortgages, and even apartments. You'll learn what separates poor, fair, good, and excellent credit, and why the gap can cost you thousands in interest. We explain the two biggest factors impacting your score: payment history and credit utilization. The core strategy is simple but powerful. Pay your bills on time and keep balances low. We also cover secured credit cards and how to rebuild credit if you've made mistakes in the past. Next, we focus on saving and building an emergency fund. Wealth isn't created by income alone, it's built through habits. You'll learn why starting with a $1,000 emergency fund is critical and how to grow it to 3 to 6 months of expenses. We cover the pay yourself first method, automation strategies, and why using a high-yield savings account helps your money grow safely. Finally, we simplify investing and compound interest. Discover how consistent investing in broad-based index funds, using tools like a Roth IRA or 401k match, builds long-term wealth. Credit, saving, and investing. 3 pillars, 1 clear path to financial freedom. With this purchase, you will receive the ebook, as well as a digital 3D copy of the book cover.